Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. Okay, before we start our discussion, I want to introduce myself. My name is Luciana. I come from SMPN Sulimau, Kabupaten Tanggamus, Lampung. Okay, how are you today? I hope all of you in healthy and always happy. Okay all, yesterday we have discussed about time. Do you still remember about it all? I hope you still remember about it. Okay, here we will learn about things around us and how to make a sentence using this, that, this, and those. Okay all, before we start our discussion, let's look the picture. Can you see the picture? There are so many things in here, right? Can you see what is the thing in the picture? Yes, there is a tree, a bird cage, a bench, a watering can, a hole, some pot, and some flower. Yes, good. Okay, next. Can you see this picture? Oh, this is a classroom. There are so many things in this classroom. What is the thing in this classroom? Oh, there is a clock, a picture, a board, desk, chair, and floor, and any others again. Okay, next. In this occasion, we will learn about this and that, this and those. This and that are a singular form used to indicate people, object, and situation. Jadi, that and this adalah bentuk tunggal yang digunakan untuk menunjuk orang, objek, dan situasi ya. Oke, next. This is used when we are pointing at or talking about someone or some object near us. Nah, apa sih this? Itu digunakan. This digunakan ketika kita menunjuk atau berbicara tentang seseorang atau benda di dekat kita. Okay, next. The using of that is used when we are pointing at or talking about someone or some object further from us. Nah, jadi that itu digunakan ketika kita menunjuk atau berbicara tentang seseorang atau benda yang jauh dari kita. Okay, from this discussion, have you know about that and this? So let's look the example of using this. This board is black. Papan tulis ini hitam. Then the second example, this pencil is small. Pensil ini sangat kecil. Then the third example, this child is very nice. Anak ini sangat menyenangkan. Then the fourth example, this is your plane. Ini adalah pesawatmu. Ya. And then the fifth example, this is my house. Ini adalah rumahku. From this example, is there any question? No? Yes. I hope all of you understand about it, right? Okay, next. The example of using that. Look, the example of the using that. That board is black. Papan tulis itu hitam. Itu ya. And then next, the second example, that pencil is small. Pensil itu kecil. And then next, the third example, that child is very nice. Anak itu sangat menyenangkan. And then, that is your plane. Itu adalah pesawatmu. And then next, that is my house. Itu adalah rumahku. Then the fifth example, next, does and those. Does and those are a plural form used to indicate people, object, and situation. Those adalah bentuk jamak yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan barang, objek, atau situasi. Then next, this is used when we are pointing at or talking about someone or some object that's more than one near from us. Thus ini digunakan ketika kita menunjukkan atau berbicara tentang seseorang atau benda yang jumlahnya lebih dari satu yang dekat dengan kita. Nah, and those is used when we are pointing at or talking about someone or some object that's more than one further from us. Nah, from this, artinya those digunakan ketika kita menunjukkan atau berbicara tentang seseorang atau benda yang jumlahnya lebih dari satu yang jauh dari kita. Let's look the example of the using this. Nah, contohnya, this book are new. Buku-buku itu baru. Ya. And then the second example, this pencil are sharp. Pensil ini runcing. Then next, these are my books. Ini adalah buku-bukuku. Then next, the bike are mine. Sepeda-sepeda ini milikku. Then next example, these are my bags. Ini tas-tasku. Okay, next, the example of those. Okay, the first example of those books are new. Buku-buku buku itu baru. Dan the second example, the bikes are mine. Sepeda-sepeda itu milikku. Then those pencils are sharp. Pensil-pensil itu runcing. Then those are my bag. Itu tas-tasku. Those are my books. Itu adalah buku-bukuku. This, that, thus, and those as a subject in positive sentence. Kita akan membahas penggunaan this, thus, and those dalam kalimat positif sebagai subjek. The example of the sentence, this is my dictionary. That is your dictionary. Those are my books. Those are their hats. And then this, that, thus, and those as a subject in the negative sentence. Okay. Next, the example of this sentence. This is not my dictionary. That is not your bicycle. Those are not my books. And those are not my hats. Nah, ini contoh dari kalimat negatifnya. And then next, kita akan belajar tentang kalimat interrogatif. Oke, kalimat interrogatif atau kalimat tanya. This, that, thus, and those as a subject in the interrogative sentence. Okay. What is the example of this sentence? Look. Okay. Is this my dictionary? Is that your bicycle? Are those my books? Are those their hats? Nah, ini contoh kalimat interrogatif atau contoh kalimat tanyanya. Nah, sekarang kita belajar tentang this, that, thus, and those as an object in the sentence. Okay. Look at the example. I like this food. They use that white shirt. Zahra won those glasses. I know those children. Nah, from this discussion, is there any question, my student? I hope all of you understand about it. Okay, good. You are so clever. And then next, the example of negative sentence. Okay. I don't like this food. They don't use that whiteboard. Zahra don't want those glasses. I don't know those glasses. Okay, that is interrogative sentence. Next. Okay, and then the interrogative sentence. Do you like this food? Do they use this whiteboard? Does Zahra want those glasses? Do you know those children? And then next, this, that, this, and those as a modified noun. Okay, let's look the example of this. This red car is mine. That white shirt need to be washed. Does people want to buy a car? Those boys are my brother. This, that, does, and those is a modified noun in negative sentence. Okay, this is the example. This red car is not mine. That whiteboard does not need to be washed. Those people don't want to buy a car. And then next, this, that, does, and that as a modified noun in the interrogative sentence. Is this red car yours? Does this white shirt need to be washed? Does those people want to buy a car? Are those boys your brothers? Then next, okay, thank you for your attention. I think it's all. Thanks for your attention all. I hope all of you understand about it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.